आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर।
So Nikit, what do you think about your teachers?
Our teachers are very caring, loving, they are very kind, and their strictness is for our own good.
सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी।
What are your thoughts about teachers?
Teachers play a vital role in our school life. They are the building blocks of knowledge. They help us to develop feelings about social responsibility, importance of studying, as well as sports.
लिख दे तू हिस्सेदारी। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर।
What is the most important role of a teacher in a student's life?
The most important role of a teacher in students' life is not just to teach lessons from books, but to guide them in becoming good human beings. A teacher shapes values, builds confidence, and helps students discover their strengths.
रुकी हुई सुई होती सही दो दफा, चुप क्यों है रहना मन का तू कहना, रोके चाहे हिचकियां।
Teachers guide us not only in studies but also in life. They encourage us to believe in ourselves. They make difficult topics easy to learn and understand. They are patient even when we make mistakes. They treat us like their own children. They inspire us to dream big and work hard. They are the reason why we grow into better human beings. I love my teachers. Thank you.
Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. And teachers are gods who provide us life. Today, we are talking about Teachers' Day, which is celebrated on 5th September, which is the birth date of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a teacher and a philosopher.
What do you think about the teachers of St. Thomas?
They are very inspiring, knowledgeable, supportive, and creative.
Our teachers are the epitome of knowledge and character. I'm sure that we all have acknowledged our teachers, but have you ever seen the dedication behind it? How big their roles are in our dependent lives? Our teachers are supporting and very dedicated to us. They just not only teach us, but make sure that we get the concept. They are the backbone of our education. I have never ever taken any tuition or any form of external guidance because the teachers here work hard for the students, helping them and clearing their each and every doubt, ensuring excellence in respective subjects. Thank you.
खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर।
One of the most valuable lessons which the teachers of our school have taught us is that never stop participating and always give your best in whichever field you go or whatever you do. Regardless of what the outcome is, always give your best. And managing academic as well as the co-curricular activities at the same time is one of the traits of the greatest person which can exist. And being a student, this is one of the most helpful things which a student can do.
चुप क्यों है रहना मन का तू कहना, रोके चाहे हिचकियां।
So, why do we need teachers in our life?
Teachers are people who play an important role in shaping our lives and making our futures better. They have always guided us to choose the right path, either in studies or in academics. They have always taught us to respect others, to be disciplined, and to use our potential to the fullest. They have always brought us from the oblivion of darkness to light. They have always supported us and believed in us even on the days when we thought that we are not enough. They are the people who make educated citizens for our country.
What does your school do to ensure overall personality development?
Our principal, Reverend Thomas B. Thomas, has provided us with an atmosphere that ensures overall personality development apart from regular studies. To bring out the talents in every individual, in every child, he ensures that regular systematic co-curricular activities are carried out. Through this, he aims to inculcate in us team spirit, self-confidence, and good character. He wants to equip children who are self-confident, intellectually competent, morally sound, and who dare to challenge the modern norms. Thank you.
खोल दे पर